In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save a document as a PDF in Microsoft Word without using Adobe Acrobat. Saving your documents as PDF files is a very useful skill, especially when you want to share files that maintain their formatting across different devices and operating systems. PDF files preserve the layout, fonts, images, and spacing of your document, ensuring that anyone who opens the file will see it exactly as you intended. The good news is that Microsoft Word already includes a built-in feature that allows you to export or save your document as a PDF without needing any additional software. To get started, open the document you want to convert in Microsoft Word. This can be any file you've been working on, such as a report, letter, form, or presentation document. Before converting it, take a moment to review the content and make sure everything looks the way you want. Since a PDF is typically used for sharing or printing, it's a good idea to double-check formatting, spacing, and page layout before creating the final file. Once your document is ready, move your cursor to the top left corner of the Word window and click on the File tab. This will open the main menu where you can manage your document settings and saving options. In this menu, look for the option labeled Save As and click on it. You will then be asked to choose the location where you want to store the new file. Select a folder on your computer where you want the PDF version of your document to be saved. After choosing the location, you will see the Save As dialog box appear. In this window, you'll notice a field labeled Save As Type. Click on the drop-down menu for this field and you will see a list of different file formats that Microsoft Word supports. Scroll through the list until you find the option labeled PDF. Select PDF from the available formats. Once you do that, Word will prepare to export the document in PDF format instead of the standard Word format. You can also review the file name field at this point and rename the document if you want the PDF version to have a different name. When everything looks correct, simply click the Save button. Microsoft Word will automatically convert the document and create a PDF file in the folder you selected. The process usually takes only a few seconds, depending on the size of your document. After the conversion is complete, you can open the file to confirm that the formatting, images, and text appear exactly as expected. Your document is now ready to share, email, upload, or print as a professional-looking PDF. And that's how you save a document as a PDF in Microsoft Word without needing Adobe Acrobat. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.